Today we're diving into Mastra, an AI agent framework that promises to streamline your workflow. But does it live up to the hype? Let's explore what this platform really offers and whether it's worth your time and investment. Mastra positions itself as a comprehensive AI agent framework designed to help developers create intelligent applications. At its core, it offers a suite of tools that can be integrated into various projects, allowing for the development of automated agents that perform tasks efficiently. The user interface is relatively straightforward, making it accessible for both seasoned developers and those new to AI. What stands out is its flexibility. You can customize agents to meet specific needs, which is great for businesses looking for tailored solutions. However, I found some areas a bit lacking in clarity. For instance, while the documentation covers a lot, it sometimes assumes a level of expertise that newcomers might not have. The intended audience seems to be developers and tech-savvy users, but I wonder how well it caters to those who might need more guidance. Overall, Mastra feels promising, but the learning curve could be a hurdle for some users. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Mastra offers excellent customization options, which can be a game changer for businesses needing specific functionalities. The potential for automation is impressive, and it can significantly boost productivity. However, there are some frustrations. The documentation, while extensive, can be overwhelming for beginners. Additionally, I noticed a lack of community support or forums where users can share insights and troubleshoot issues together. Trust signals are also a bit weak. More transparency about the team behind Mastra and user testimonials would help build confidence. In terms of pricing, it's not entirely clear how that works, which could deter cautious buyers. This platform might suit businesses with a tech-savvy team, but casual users may want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, Mastra has a lot of potential, especially for developers looking to create tailored AI agents. However, the unclear documentation and lack of community support could be significant drawbacks for some. If you're comfortable navigating these challenges, it might be worth a try, but others may want to consider more user-friendly alternatives.